Alright guys, so this is your HTML project. This is just a template for you to follow as you go through your project. Alright, so as we explained earlier, so this is the first page of your project, and I believe most of us, if not everybody, understands how to design this. So now the main thing you want to know in this video is how the flow, yeah, that's the word, the flow of your web pages. Alright, so if I click on this button, it's taking me to my second page, and the second page is the registration page. Alright, so after the registration page, already you can see that there is a placeholder in the email. There's also a placeholder in the password. Then if I come down to my sign in is linking to my third page. Alright, so that is that. Now let me return back to my page 2. Now if I come down, there are two ways I can link to my page 3 from this page. Either you click on this sign in, or I just come down and then I link through this sign up. So both the sign in button and the sign up button are linking to the page 3, or linking to the third page, which is services page. So let me also click on this just to show you how it works. So your website should also act the same way. Then now let me come to this registration form. This registration form, we have different type of inputs which you are going to do by yourself. Alright, so this first one, student name, is having a placeholder. Type your name. Then we have the father name, we have the mother name, is also a text. You can see the way my cursor is acting on each of them. So for this one, it's not blinking inside. Even if I click it, it's actually giving me an option of date. So I can select my date. So yours should also work this way. Yours should also work perfectly. Alright, then for gender, I can select anyone I want. Then also for my email ID, it's giving me something different compared to date. Then I have my country. This is a drop down. So in this place, I'm having about 12 countries. So 12 countries. Another purpose of this video is to make you, apart from the flow, how your web pages should connect and flow from one page to another. Also, you should know some of the details in your pages. For instance, under the country, we have about 12 countries there. So you can come, when you get to this point in your video, you can pause and then watch and then type whatever you need to type. Alright, so that is that. Then I come to my password. My password also, don't forget, is acting like what? A password. Alright, then also the confirm password is acting likewise. My mobile number, if I type in my alphabet, it's not going to bring out anything. But if I type in numbers, it's going to bring out something. So you should know what to do in that place. Then my address is looking larger than others. My address, the input column in my address is looking larger than others. So you should think about that and know what to do. Then for my states, if I come to the drop down in the next column, I can say I'm having about 12 states here also. 12 states. So look through it properly and put in the right state there. Then also for my city, I have here Ikeja. Surulere, Ikorodu. You can put in something interesting, but have up to 12 inputs in that place, or up to 12 options in that place. Alright, just create something really interesting. Alright, so that's that. Then now let me link to my third page. Sign up. Alright, so this is my third page. Alright, so on this third page, we have the images of the services that we offer. Then also, if you come to the comment section, there's a placeholder here, and then this is also this. I can type in whatever I want, whether numbers or whatever. Then another thing you should observe here in this page is when you click on the submit button, this is the submit button, it takes you automatically to the last page. So I've clicked on it. Now this is my last page. Alright, so on this last page you only have 2 images. You will be given all the images you require for your project. Alright, so we have the image here, and then we have the second image. So this second image, after the second image, we have a link. One thing you also observe from here is this success image and also this check image, they are both centralized. Alright, so having known that, then we come to the link. This is a link taking us back to our home page. Alright, and also we have this last text which is giving us page 4. So go through this video properly and do your homework. So if I click on home page, it takes me back to my original page.